Assalamu alaikum guys, here is Sufyan with another important vlog. Today I'm gonna tell you that how you can get scholarship in China in BLCU, Beijing Language and Culture University. There are a lot of scholarship, but I will tell you particularly about CSC Scholarship. Sometimes, even when I was searching about the CSC Scholarship, at the beginning it's so confusing, it's so hard to get the university pre-admission letter and apply for the university. Things are so complicated because of the language, because of the websites are in Chinese, and a lot of difficulties students may go through. So I would try to make it easier for you, and I will try to explain it from very basic, so you would understand everything and you will able to apply by yourself. I always used to say, don't waste your money, don't waste your parents' money, just apply by yourself. So we'll move on to our screen, and I will tell you first what you need to do. We'll go to the website here. First of all, you need to, I would prefer you if you will use Edge browser, because Google sometimes it won't work for Chinese websites. So Edge is best because you don't need any VPN and you can access Chinese websites here. So what you need to do, you have to search BLCU. We go here, BLCU, just search BLCU, Beijing Language and Culture University. We go to their website. Maybe I have to check whether my VPN is turned on or turned off, because I need to turn that off. When you're going to their websites, you should turn off the VPN so it will work. No, because I'm in China, that's why. Here you will see that this one is English version. Usually Chinese version is better because there's more information on Chinese version, but as for you, you can come to this English version. You can see here home admission and these things. Here you will see you can change it to, if you will change it, this is gonna be Chinese version, and here you can get the information that you want. But what we are gonna do here, you can even translate this whole page just by a normal translator of why it got stuck. What you need to do, then you go to this part, scholarships, and in the scholarships you go, there are many scholarships here that as you can see, if you will go to this part, BLCU, Beijing International Student Scholarship, Sinology program, different kind of programs they have, but I have more information about the CSC Scholarship, and it's more famous, so we would go for CSC Scholarship. So if you click on the CSC Scholarship, here you're gonna come, you're gonna find the information, and then you're gonna click on open this link. It is the whole guide of 2026. Now it's 2025 and it's November. You still have time to apply for the March intake. And later, if you were watching this video in somewhere in March or something, then you will have time to apply for the September intake. They have two intakes. Application eligibility, you can read all of this. This is the scholarship coverage, tuition fees, fee of university, dormitory accommodation, 2,500 per month for undergraduate students, and for master it's going to be 3,000, and for PhD program is going to be 3,500. But everybody knows about it. It's very famous about CSC Scholarship. You all know it, what's included in the scholarship. What you need to do that you go here, application process here, and an application shall identify the preferred scholarship program. You send application materials to email address. This one is their email address for the pre-admission notice. What you need to do, you go to your CSC portal. I go to CSC portal. You fill up the whole form, you fill everything, and at the end, when you will be like, first is your personal details, you finish this one, then education, the other documents, and here you can upload pre-admission letter that will increase your chances to get into the university, to get the scholarship, CSC Scholarship. And to get the CSC, to get the pre-admission letter, that's, I'm going to tell you in the video how you're going to get this pre-admission letter from the university. That's going to boost up your chances to get CSC Scholarship. And there will be high chances you can get the scholarship. What you need to do here is that they mentioned CSCA this on this mail. you have to send the documents. What are the documents? You will come here, application documents. Application form for Chinese government scholarship filled in online. This one you will do. That means you will do it here. This one, you have to do it separately here. And then you come here where I'm going to tell you the only important things which are mentioned here. What I was talking about, that you need these all documents. Here are the 6 numbers. CSCA score report. Applicants seeking to pursue bachelor's degree must register for and take CSCA before application deadline. You don't need it now when you're applying for it. It means when you're gonna get the scholarship, after that, the first year is gonna be exam of CSC Scholarship if you apply for the bachelor's program. And for your bachelor's program, they are gonna evaluate you. There will be a kind of CSC exam. All students who get the scholarship, CSC Scholarship, they give this exam, CSCA exam. In this exam, they have maths. There's some basic Chinese, and it's most about the language, because the CSC, this in your mind that CSC is going to be in Chinese. You can never get it in English, so you have to do it in Chinese. So that's why first year you learn Chinese, and the rest of 4 years, your bachelor's, you learn in Chinese. So this CSCA exam, when you will come here, then at that time, after 1 year, when they will teach you, they will cook you, and after that, when you are ready, then you can give this exam and you will go to your university. This was the 6. Then the 7 is admission document. On applying post schedule for academic general senior scholar, provide pre-admission letter. It's about for masters, they can get the pre-admission letter or shall provide this one. Then study research plan, you have to write a recommendation letter. If you will get any, you can write many teachers here to give you a recommendation letter. If they will give you a recommendation letter, that's better. But if you don't have, you can just get it from your high school teachers. They can give you a recommendation letter. First program, these are the attachments they have mentioned here in this text. So you go down, program list of BLCU, like this one I have already downloaded. I will download it again, and let's see what's mentioned in here. You open this one. These are the all programs. They have bachelor's degree program, but all these from 15, 16 programs. And then they have for masters, they have a lot of majors for masters. And here look, this one is written CSCA test subjects. These are the subjects that after 1 year, you need to pass these subjects. So when you can consider that when you're applying, which major you should choose, because if you hate maths, that was my problem. If you hate maths or something like that, you see that those major which have maths inside, and you have to give math exam after 1 year, and it's going to be in Chinese. So be careful, or otherwise you should just choose Chinese language or Chinese language and culture. They don't have maths or something like that. You can see here. All others, they have maths, but this one, they don't have math, but they are only few. The Chinese language, it's all about related to literature. They don't have math. That was the first document. A physical examination form template you can get. It's not okay. BSc doctoral supervisor pre-admission letter, pre-acceptance letter. No, this one it's for the student. We will talk about guardianship document. If you are under 18 or something like that, you need that one. But the last one is important. We gonna go this one, application form. This one is the application form. This one, you just need to download it and fill it by yourself. It's easy peasy. You download whole this form, you signature it, and then you send the application material on this email. For the pre-admission notice, all the documents here is mentioned. I already told you I told you the important documents you need. That's documents you can attach in the mail, and you can also, in the last, you need this application form, and combine everything and send this all on this email. And once you will have pre-admission notice from the university, I'm telling you, you will have high chances to get CSC scholarship. And the last one booster point that I am going to give you, that you can get, if you have any of you, like any relation in embassy, in your country from China. If you can get the recommendation letter or something, a recommender from them, that's gonna absolutely gonna be helpful for you for CSC scholarship. Otherwise, even you apply by yourself, you don't have recommended, just take your teacher or take any recommender from, try to email to university to try to find emails of professors in the university, get them, make them recommender, or anyone who can be your recommender is fine. Once you will get admission letter from the university, a pre-admission letter, you will get the CSC scholarship. And what is it? The CSC scholarship. That is easy peasy. It's easy peasy to apply, and I'm not gonna lie that it's not easy to get it. So it's also about your chance if you're lucky, and let's see you're gonna get it or not. But that's the process that I made it easier for you. If you have any kind of question, you can ask in the comment sections. And if you haven't watched the video of the campus, then there must be wrong something with you, because you should watch first campus video that you're going to apply which kind of university. I'm going to put it in I button that you should watch the campus video, and then you're going to decide whether you should apply on this university. But you can watch this video. I showed the dorms and the university, how it is, how is the environment, how is the classing and everything. And then this video is particularly for how you gonna apply here. And the best thing is if you get the CSC scholarship here, and you're gonna be thankful to me for the rest of your life if you're gonna get the scholarship.